Can you say good morning? Say hi. Say hi. You tell them hi. Good morning, guys. I've got Emerson here with me this morning to tell you guys hi. Oh, I've got another. I've got
Hi.
another helper. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Okay, go back in there. All right. I hope that you guys had a great spring break and are ready to get started again. We are on week 2 of learning from home on your Chromebooks. So we are ready to get started. Everything today is going to look a lot like it did before we went on spring break. And just like before spring break, if you have any questions, just type those into our Google Classroom. Your parents can email me or message me on Class Dojo. We are also going to set up a video chat on Zoom at 10:15 every morning. So if you have any questions, you can jump on there then, or you can just come in and say hi to all of us. You don't have to do the video chats, but they're kind of fun just to be able to see everybody and talk for a little bit. Also, on this little morning announcement, I am attaching a slide that's like our morning message that you see when you come into the classroom. And so it's got a morning message, and there's a couple of different links on there. And one is to some maker mats of things that you can do at home if you want to. Those are all optional. They're just things that you can do if you're bored. Also, there's a little daily check-in if you want to do that. It just tells me how you're feeling. Take her. Thank you. Okay. If you want to do that, that would be great. Again, you don't have to. I'm also going to put a link to a read aloud book that Mrs. Brown did for you guys. Again, these are all things that you don't have to do. They're just things that you can do, okay? So the only things that you have to do are things like math, reading, writing, any of your assignments. These are just extra things if you want to do them. So again, if you have any questions, just message me or type them into our Google Classroom, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.